Imagine for a second unlocking the door to hidden real estate deals in your area, deals that others don't even know exist. That's the power of Flipster, and I'm gonna show you guys in today's video how you can use Flipster to get more deals in less time. What's up everybody, I'm Nathan Payne, and today I wanna welcome you to our game-changing session on Flipster, your secret weapon into real estate. Let's dive into how this software can transform your deal finding journey. Coming up on today's episode, we're gonna be talking about how Flipster gives you an edge in finding and closing deals. We're gonna give you a walkthrough of Flipster's most powerful features, and we're gonna dive into some real success stories, I've had from using the Flipster software. If you're ready to revolutionize the way that you do deals, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel because I'm always coming out with content that helps you do more deals. So what the heck is Flipster, everybody? In the world of real estate, information is power. Flipster is a comprehensive software that offers everything you need from detailed property analysis to streamlined project management. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Flipster's user-friendly interface makes deal finding efficient and straightforward. Let's walk through a scenario together. Imagine you found a potential property. With Flipster, you can enter its details instantly to get an analysis of its value, renovation costs, and potential profit. This feature alone can save you hours of research and mitigate risks. I want to give you a specific testimonial that I have from using the Flipster software and how it's really helped me do more deals and do deals that maybe I probably wouldn't have been able to do without having the software in my back pocket and being able to use it. Check out this deal. So I was doing a deal here in Utah, and I was looking like I was gonna make maybe about $50,000 if I wholesaled it, which is a great deal, okay? But I was like, man, I think I can make more if I just buy this myself and wholesale it. And if you don't know what wholesaling is, it's basically you just buy something, carpet paint, you just put lipstick on a pig, and you resell it on the MLS. And it's very quick. It's not like a full rehab. But in order to do that, I needed money to flip the property. So what I did is I raised private money on this house, and I was able to use paperwork that I was able to get from Flipster, so I was able to raise private money, sign all the right documents, so I was able to get money and everyone felt comfortable, and that's how I was able to raise money. All because Flipster explained exactly how to do it. So not only does Flipster give you the ability to comp properties and find deals, but also gives you paperwork and a bunch of different education tools so you can do more deals. I had never raised private money until that point to flip this house, but thanks to Flipster, I was able to not have to use my own money. I actually didn't use a dime of my own money. I was able to use hard money to raise 80% of the deal, and then I used private money to raise the 20%, the rest of the money to flip the house. So guys, Flipster, not only, like I said, does it give you the tools to do data analysis, but it also gives you paperwork and educational tools so you can get more deals. Freaking awesome, and it helped me. And on that deal, instead of making $50,000, I ended up making $84,000. So because of Flipster, I was able to make, what is that, $34,000 extra? Let's freaking go. Have any questions about Flipster or a story to share? Do me a favor, guys, drop a comment below and I'll make sure to reply. Ready to step in the world of lucrative real estate deals? Check out Flipster by Jerry Norton and start your journey today. The link is in the description to sign up and you get a free trial. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into real estate success. See you on the next video.